So let's take the whole conversation to the market street. Andy Sako, who is the trader at Capital Care Securities, is live to us from the Nigerian Stock Exchange trading floor. Andy, it's good to see you on the program. Good morning. Yes, Andy, thank you.
Good morning, Bosin.
Yeah, thank you so much, Andy. Let's go straight to business. Give us a sense of this morning session. It's still 1 hour into trading. We have a long way to go before the closing bell.
Yeah, absolutely. The market has been a little lackluster so far. We haven't seen much activity to this point. Barely 240 million has traded in value. Two gainers so far, and that's coming also from, stocks that are not essentially market drivers, the likes of Japol and NEM. We have seen a few losers too. So as we speak, the market is 4 basis points down.
We've spent some time talking about the insurance sector. So talk to us about this. What's still the state of the stocks? You talk about NEM Insurance among the early gainers within the first 1 hour of trading.
Yeah, it is obvious in the marketplace at the moment. NICOM has come with policies that are intended to boost the capitalization of the entire sector. And therefore, we're beginning to see a lot of activity around insurance stocks. Don't forget that quite a number of them, apart from just a few, are trading below 50 kobo levels. And if they're intending to raise capital in order to ensure that they exist at profitable levels going forward and to also align with regulatory requirements, it is very likely that they will toe the lines of trying to do either placing or private placements, as it were, so they can raise monies in order to ensure that they remain in business. So they will continue to agitate the minds of investors going forward, I think. And given price levels currently, I do think that it will make some sense for people to begin to look at that sector. Yes, beyond the apathy that has characterized it over the length of time.
Yes, apathy over time, over years and decades. But again, are you hearing any positive reactions or thinking or sentiments from local retail investors with the news around this recapitalization and reclassification that is in the news on a daily basis? What are you hearing from investors here at home?
I think it's household news, the fact that there's a lot of room for insurance growth in our economy. A lot of people are still outside that sector in terms of patronage. And I think what regulation is also trying to foster is to ensure that a lot more people get into the basket of doing insurance business. A lot of us are insurable, as it were, beyond the common third-party motor vehicle insurance that becomes more of a compulsion. But the necessity of insurance is part of the drive. And I do think that going forward, as long as the marketing drive keeps on, as long as it also becomes very relevant in the minds of people that indeed some level of insurance is necessary, that business scope will continue to generate the kind of momentum that is desirable.
Thank you so much, Andy Sako, trader with Capital Care Securities, live from the Nigerian Stock Exchange. And that's the wrap on today's edition of your Business Morning. Let's get together tomorrow, Friday, the first Friday in September. It'll be a nice one. See you then.